thank you very much. Welcome, esteemed colleagues. As you can see, I'm quite nervous, so I created a short version of my presentation in case I will get frozen. So for more than 35 years now, I've been working on and working with AI, and this concluded that we won the most promising fintech solution of 2023. This was the short version of the presentation. Let's dive into the details. You can call it ecosystem strategy or beyond banking or super application. The goal is the same. You have to reach out to customers way beyond the traditional banking. For example, if I want to get the mortgage loan, it doesn't start that I wake up in the morning in the mood. Today I will buy mortgage loan. No, it starts a year earlier when my wife turned to me on a romantic dinner that, darling, we will be three of us. And then I start browsing properties. What can I afford? What can I buy? This is the entry point where a retail bank can and will join to the customer's journey. And they grab the customer's hands and never let it go. So the banks will provide services around the whole journey. Let the customer want to find their dream home among thousands of properties, or they want to find a reliable electrician or a plumber for renovation, or they just want to sell the property and they need valuation or a real estate agent from the location. So whatever they want, you will have a solution for them. But these services around this journey has nothing to do with the retail banks. You don't have the competence. So you have to provide it via external partners, external vendors. And this is why we got this award for. Realmonitor, please switch to the mobile. Realmonitor created a unified, integrated mobile platform for banks where all the stakeholders of the journey, whatever ecosystem we talk about, can bring their values, can bring their services, their competencies under the bank's trusted umbrella and provide a turnkey solution across the whole journey of the customer. So, for example, I'm the husband. I just get know that we will be three of us. So I'm nervously, anxiously start browsing properties. So I go to the bank's ecosystem mobile application, and I say I want to buy a home. Here I can find all the partners listing sites, in this case, more than 29 listing sites plus Facebook. I can see all the listings that's feasible for my financial situation. Let's say I found my dream home after a couple of months, this one, now I need the finance. So after a couple of months, I go back to the bank's ecosystem mobile application. I need money. So here, the customer can find a lot of information about what's useful, what need to be taken into consideration for a mortgage loan, and I can initiate the mortgage loan right here, and I will have a hyper-personalized offer from the banks because the banks know everything about me because of the application, what kind of property I need, what is the property I want to buy, what the financial situation I have, so I can initiate here the mortgage. Okay, I moved in. My wife want to renovate everything. Okay, I go back to the housing ecosystem mobile application, and I want to renovate. Here, the customer can find thousands. In this case, with the KBC Bank, we made this project, more than 5,000 electrician, plumber, interior designer, lawyers, listing sites, developers, real estate agents joined to this unified system. And here I can get a pre-calculation of my renovation, that how much would it cost to paint the walls. And then I can, with the click of a button, get a personal loan for the renovation, of course, with a hyper-personalized offering from the bank because they know everything about me. And then I can choose the preferred team I would like to work with on the renovation. Okay? I moved in, I renovated. My wife has another surprise. We will be four of us, so I need to move a bigger house, so I have to sell this one. I go back to the bank's ecosystem application, and this will come in the next month. It will help to sell the property, evaluate your home, and also to find a reliable agent from your location. I think there are around 3,000 agents already in the platform. And also, with a click of a button, I can upload my advertisement in the 29 partner listing sites plus Facebook instantly. So, and the circle is closed. Whatever the customer need regarding to their housing, they go to the bank's unified, integrated mobile platform where there are thousands of vendors and can provide under the bank's trusted umbrella, turnkey solution every steps. And this will never let the customer leave the gravitational field of the bank, even though these competencies has nothing to do with the banks. I was standing here 2 years ago on the same stage. It was a vision back then. It was a prototype since then. Today, it's a thriving platform, delivered more than 150,000 home buyer families, in this case to KBC banks, and got one of the highest rate worldwide in the Apple Play Store, Apple App Store and Google Play Store in the housing ecosystem. So I have a booth out there. I would like to invite you for a deeper discussion where we can share the details, how you can implement and put in practice your housing ecosystem beyond banking, super application, whatever you call, with thousands of vendors. And it went well. I didn't frozen, so I got a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds more. Just one thing that just came into my mind this morning. I got this catalog on my hotel room, English home, with dozens of furniture companies. It's very easy to integrate all of these companies' portfolio and services into this platform. So if I renovated my home and I want to refurniture the whole stuff, then I can go to the bank's ecosystem application, choose whatever furniture I need, get a personal loan with the click of a button, and it's there. So the goal here and the message here that banks doesn't have the competencies to provide every service around educational, healthcare, mobility, housing ecosystem. You have to provide it by external partners, and you have to integrate it under the bank's trusted umbrella. This is what we did. So we have the booth next to the coffee table. I invite you for a coffee. It's on us. And Peter, CEO of Realmonitor. I'm looking forward to see you there and have a deeper discussion on that. Thank you very much.